Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Tips for Dummies. Today I'll be installing or troubleshooting an outlet. What it is that they were having problems with this light fixture, in which I'm going to fix it later, and I'm going to show you how. Sometimes it will go off by itself. So one of the ways to figure it out if there is a problem in the walls, because most of the time they're connected, just bang on the wall, and if the light comes on or turns off, that means that something is wrong with it. So I found that on this outlet, there's 4 of them. On this outlet there is a problem, so I'm about to figure out what it is. And the first thing you do is you take the screw in the middle, pull it out. Obviously, first make sure there is no electricity, very important. Cut the breakers off, and if you're not sure that you have power or not, don't mess with it. But if you're positive that you don't have any power, well then go ahead. This is done at your own risk, obviously. Messing with electricity is not easy, it's not fun. But anyway, next you're gonna remove the 2 bolts holding the outlet, one on top and one on the bottom. In my case, I cut the electricity completely off, and I already checked it and there was no power on it. Okay, all right, so you take that off. All right, so right away I can see one of the problems. This wire is completely loose. 2 wires completely loose right there. 2 wires. There's, wow, my god, this is really bad. Okay, I can see I'm gonna put a little bit of light, and I can see one of the problems is that there's aluminum wiring, and they use a copper outlet. So what happens there is that aluminum expands at a different rate than the copper, and eventually this will loosen the screws. So I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna put a brand new outlet because I don't trust them once they're gone. Okay. Something is wrong with this outlet, so I'm gonna go and get a new one. So what I am going to do next, I'm gonna try to straighten them up and give it about 1/2 inch on each one. Make sure the aluminum wire is not damaged. And if it is, we'll just cut a little bit more. Like this one right here is too long. It's not good for me because I'm gonna put it on the back of the I'm gonna cut a little bit, just probably about 1/2 inch. I'm gonna leave about 1/2 inch on each one of them. Again, this one is too long. Alright. And I'm gonna give it about 1/2 inch. It's a little bit too crooked. Straighten them up. This is already like 1/2 inch. All right, so now I got all the cables ready. All right. As you can see. Now, as you can see, this is the new outlet, and it's got two darker color like copper type and two white like aluminum type. So on these two darker, that's what the black wires will go. But one of the problems that a lot of people do when connecting aluminum to copper, which I don't like it, but well, that's what I got, and assuming you already checked all the codes and everything, well, you have to put this antioxidant cream. They sell it at the stores, so you put them on each one of the wires, and that prevents from corrosion and helps with better bonding. I want to put them on the back because that has like a type of like a spring, so when it gets hot, I think it works better on the back. I'm gonna put the screws back in, so I'm not gonna need it. All right, I'm gonna need this. This. And I'm gonna stick it through the holes. They're made for that in the back, not screwed. So I'm gonna put each one where it belongs. Black. Black. Line. White. Okay. So I got them all connected. I like to do it this way, much better. I'm gonna connect the ground. I put the antioxidant cream. And this has to be checked pretty often. So I put the ground. I'm gonna line them up really good. Line them up really good. And once we got everything, we're gonna put it back inside in the box. All right, so make sure the ground wire doesn't touch these things, and we're all set. All we have to do is put the bottom screw where it belongs, that hole. Now you gotta push it a little bit. All right, I got it in. All right, make sure the outlet is centered from the box. The box is too small. I don't know why they put it too small, but now all you have to do is screw it back in. Screw this one back in. Okay, so we got it. We got this. Take the cover off, and we put the cover. So I'm putting the cover back on. Using the right and we're all set. We're all set. There you go. It was a little bit to that side, but okay, we got it. So we got the aluminum outlet. All right, and this is how you do it. Till next time, guys.